Hello, today we're going to study together, and the topic is Tenki no Ko. And I will start with the vocabulary. The lesson is prepared by my teacher, whose name is Yusa. I call him Yusa Sensei from Hinode Center, which was closed 4 years ago due to the pandemic. So I will review all the lessons he has done for us so that his effort was is not wasted. Now the lesson called Tenki no Go. I will read this for you. この映画は祈るだけで天気を晴れにすることができる不思議な肖像の物語です。最近雨が続いているホチミン市ですが、もしこんな特別な能力を持っていたら、皆さんはどのように使いたいですか？ Which means this movie is a theme about a girl who has like superpower to make the weather is good again by praying. And recently in Ho Chi Minh City, it's keep raining. So if you have a special power, what would you like to use? The vocabulary. Okay. This is the name of the Japanese center that I used to study in. I really miss that place. Oh no, wrong. I was zooming out. So, tenki, tenko, both are weather. Tenki and tenko. Okay, let's put it here, my phrase here. Tenki, tenko. この言葉を覚えましょう。どんな天気 The first word is 晴れ、晴れる。You can see the photos. Nice weather. No rain. Very sunny. Example 晴れると洗濯物が乾きやすい。晴れると洗濯物が乾きやすい。Okay, then please let me my phrase out. 雲一つない。I think I need to mute my phone. It's really irritating. Okay, done. 雲一つない。青い空が広がっている。青空 blue sky. So, 雲一つない。青空が広がっている。It means like the blue sky without any cloud is big, like spread out. 今日は快晴だ。快晴だ。快晴 is clear sky. 青空。快晴。Okay. You need to learn it by heart then. 晴れると洗濯物が乾きやすい。雲一つない青い空が広がっている。今日は快晴だ。Next word. 曇り、曇る。bigger. 曇り、曇る。Wow, the kanji is so hard to write. 裏、表。太陽。This one is very similar. In Vietnam, it's taiyou, which means like sun, or in Chinese like 太阳, and in Japanese it's taiyou. You can see if you study one language, then it's very easy to if you know Vietnamese, Chinese, or Chinese, you can learn Japanese very easily. Or if you know Japanese, then the Chinese is very easy for you as well. So 太陽が雲に隠れて、次第に曇ってきた。太陽が雲に、雲 not 雲。雲 is also the cloud. 雲に隠れて、隠れて means 見えません。You cannot see. 太陽が雲に隠れて、次第に曇ってきた。How come? This one is also kumo. This one is kumo as well, and they write differently. Kumo. Like the sun. The sun cannot be seen. Like the sun is hidden. Like you cannot see the sun because it was hidden behind the cloud. And then gradually like it's cloudy. Gradually getting cloudy. 太陽が雲に隠れて次第に曇ってきた。太陽が雲に隠れて次第に曇ってきた。Next one. 曇り空が広がっている。Like the sky, the cloudy sky is getting bigger, like spreading. 雨が降り出しそうだ。It's going to rain, starting to rain. 雨が降り出しそうだ。雨雲。How many words would you like to study a day? I'm thinking like, should I make this one short video each day and then, okay. How about 2 pages? Let's try 2 pages. Okay, the next word. This one is easy. 雨、雨が降る。It's raining. 気温5、雨がぽ、ぽつ、ぽつぽつ降ってきた。ぽつぽつ、ぽつぽつ、little by little。雨がぼつぼつ降ってきた。今はまだ小雨だけど、小雨、like, just rain slightly. 小雨だけど、ザーザー、wow. ぼつぼつ is like little by little, and zaazaa is like very big rain. ザーザー降ってきた。土砂降りの雨になった。土砂降り、土砂降り。小雨、小雨、小雨、小雨、sorry。小雨、小雨だけど、土砂降りの雨、土砂降りの雨。I think one day, just little by little, then it's easier rather than start study all at once. And now 雪が降る、雪が降ってきた、雪だ、だる、だるま、雪だるま、snowman、雪だるまを作ろう。雪だるまを作ろう。And then 屋根、屋根、屋根。屋根や車に雪がつ、積もっている。積もっている。means 高くなります。高くなります。高くなります。Right? This one is 積もっている。道も雪が積もって、accumulate。出かけられない。出かけられない。Like you cannot go out。道も雪が積もって、積もって、積もって、積もって、出かけられない。Let us know accumulated on the street and you cannot go out. 屋根や車に、屋根 is this one is 屋根。屋根や車に雪が積もっている。I think that's it for today. Today I'm really tired because holidays is approaching, so I need to clean up my house. And I still have one visa to do and 5 passport. So let's stop here then. Is it okay? Bye. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.